The secret to drawing Pompompurin really cute and close to the original is in these alignments. These red guidelines that help you place each part in the right spot. Grab your pencil and let's get started. Let's start with the eye and the muzzle. Notice that I sketch it in pencil first, and then I go over it with a pen. If you want, take your time and draw the whole thing in pencil first. Then ink it at the end. That way you will have a chance to adjust the details. For this first alignment, draw the side of his beret, line up with the eye. Look here. To make his ear look closer to the original, use these two other alignments. The beginning and the end of the ear line up with the end of his beret. See? And the bottom part goes down to the same height as the mouth. When you follow these alignments, he starts looking more and more like Pompompurin. Now let's move on the body, because drawing only the face is not as fun. See how these alignments start a little to the left of the beret and goes straight down? Draw the side of his body the same way I'm doing it. Don't forget the tail. Before you draw the paw in the middle of the body, remember to place it around the middle, considering his full height. Look here. And if we check the vertical alignments, line up with the paw at the bottom. Checking the halfway point of the height. Now let's close the body. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Liking the video helps bring more tutorials like this, and I really appreciate it. After the outline, I'm going to color it to bring the drawing to life. And you can add color to yours too. Let me know in the comments how your drawing turned out and who would you like to draw next on the channel.